పివి జ్ఞానభూమిలో పివి మెమోరియల్ను కూడా గొప్పగా నిర్మించబోతున్నామని చెప్పారు. అది కూడా చాలా సంతోషకరమైన విషయం. చిరస్థాయిగా చరిత్రలో పివి పేరు ఉండే విధంగా కార్యక్రమాలు చేపడుతున్నటువంటి డాక్టర్ కేశవరావు గారికి, వారితో కలిసి పనిచేస్తున్నటువంటి బృందానికి, మొత్తం వారికి సహకరిస్తున్నటువంటి ప్రభుత్వ యంత్రాంగానికి మరొక్క మారు ఈ సందర్భంగా హృదయపూర్వకమైన ధన్యవాదాలు, కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తూ నేను విరమిస్తూ ఉన్నాను. జై తెలంగాణ, జై హింద్, జై పివి నరసింహారావు.
I now request Honorable Governor of Telangana, Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan, to give her valuable message.
గౌరవనీయులు రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి శ్రీ కె చంద్రశేఖరరావు గారు, గౌరవ శత జయంతి వేడుకల కమిటీ సభ్యులు, గౌరవ శ్రీ పివి నరసింహారావు గారి కుటుంబ సభ్యులు, గౌరవ మంత్రులు, ఎంపీస్, ఎమ్మెల్యేస్, ఎమ్మెల్సీస్, మీడియా, యంత్ర ప్రముఖులు అందరికీ నా యొక్క శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు గొప్ప పండుగ రోజు. గొప్ప నేత, మహానేత శ్రీ పివి నరసింహారావు గారి శత జయంతి. పివి నరసింహారావు గారు భారతదేశ మాజీ ప్రథమ మంత్రి. శ్రీ పివి నరసింహారావు గారు బహుముఖ ప్రజ్ఞాశాలి, బహుభాషా కోవిదుడు, పెద్ద ప్రజల పెన్నిది, సామాజిక, ఆర్థిక, రాజకీయ సంస్కర్త. So I really respect him and I am really very happy and I am pleased to attend this program whenever Honorable Chief Minister and myself unveiled the statue of Honorable former Prime Minister Sri Narasimha Rao Garu. The family members told, as a family we are very happy. The Chief Minister reciprocated, now as a Telugu family we are all very happy. And as a Bharat family we are all very happy. It's a grand statue. And naming the necklace road as PV Narasimha Rao Marg, he has replaced the necklace to the statue so that the statue is ornamented. Such a grand statue, it was unveiled here. It's a great salute to the son of the soil. The great nature of PV Narasimha Rao, already it has meant all the speakers, including our Honorable Chief Minister and Sri Keshavarao ji, have mentioned about him. And my respects to Srimati Vani Devi, MLC, daughter of P. Narasimha Rao Garu, and P.V. Prabhakar Rao, son of Sri Narasimha Rao Garu, and Sri K.V. Ramana, IAS. And Prabhakar Rao told, we released the book about Narasimha Rao Garu. But he told, it took 4 months for me to collect all his speeches and all his works from his computer. So he has organized and he's made it as a data so that the generation after him could read all his speeches. And the books here released, yesterday I saw the book. Like the statue, the books are so grand, the books are so informative and with good pictures of historic nature. So it is really, I thank the government, thank our Honorable Chief Minister for bringing out such books on him. I have to say, in Tamil they used to say, a popular proverb is there, saying is there, even the jasmines from the opponent's garden will be with good smell and flavor. So like that, when Honorable P.V. Narasimha Rao wrote his semi-biography, The Insider, in spite of he being such a popular person from Congress, he released the book with he made Honorable former Prime Minister Vajpayee ji to release the book. That is the respect he had for the genius from the opposition parties. And even when he was the Chief Minister, when there was an opportunity for the Indian government to send its representative to UN to talk on human rights, he chose Honorable Vajpayee ji to go to UN and to deliver the talk on human rights. That is the respect he had to the leaders and the respect he conveyed through his attitude and activities. I really very pleased to be here in this Bhumi Jnana Bhumi, and the salute by the Telangana government will be remembered ever, because our Honorable P.V. Narasimha Rao, the former President Abdul Kalam ji said, P.V. Narasimha Rao respected the country more than the politics of this country. So that is the attitude of Honorable P.V. Narasimha Rao. And Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji mentioned that Rao ji joined the freedom movement in his teens and began to raise his voice against injustice from an early age. He left no stone unturned to raise his voice. Narasimha Rao ji also understood history very well, because he is the son of the soil, and because he knew the history, the stalwarts at that time told he needn't discover the history of India. He is the soul of he respected the soul of this country, he respected the ethics of this country, he respected the religious pattern of this country. So Honorable Narasimha Rao ji is respected by each and everyone here. And we all respect him. He is the first Indian Prime Minister from the southern part of India. So we are all proud that this program is respected by each and everyone, not only from southern part of India, from whole Bharat, because this is the salute of the great son of the soil, Sri Narasimha Rao. And I have to tell here, as late P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu used to say that Delhi ki Raja Aina, Talli ki Koduke. So I am extremely happy that Talli Telangana is truly rejoicing over the marvelous achievements of one of her greatest sons on this happiest occasion of birth centenary of Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao ji. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana, Jai Narasimha Rao.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం. ఇప్పుడు శత జయంతి ఉత్సవాల కమిటీ అధ్యక్షులు శ్రీ కె కేశవరావు గారు ముందుగా మన రాష్ట్ర గవర్నర్ శ్రీమతి తమిళసై సౌందరరాజన్ గారికి జ్ఞాపకాన్ని బహుకరిస్తారు. తర్వాత గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ కల్వకుంట్ల చంద్రశేఖరరావు గారికి కేశవరావు గారు